Hi, and welcome to another tutorial with Mr. Petchmo. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Google Breakout rooms. So I'm going to start up my Google Meets real quick, turn my video off, and hit join. Breakout rooms are great, especially when you are working in teams or partners. So all you have to do is go into your Activities button on Google Meets right here. Now, this might be a little tricky because I do not have students to put in. So I'm going to try to explain as best as I can without having student names in there. That way I can keep everybody's privacy safe. So I'm just going to click on the breakout rooms, and this takes me to my setup screen. So you click the edit button for your breakout rooms, and this will give you your setup um, interface. So I usually go with 7 breakout rooms. I normally run 6 teams. And then I like to have one extra for me if I need a private conference room. So I just add that bonus extra one in there. I can set a timer, which is really handy. I just started using this actually. And I want it to end the breakout rooms after the 30 minutes. But you can set that for however many minutes you like and hit OK. And there's a couple different ways you can set the kids in there. You can shuffle them if you just want random sets of kids to work together. Or if you have set teams like I do, you'll want to sort them yourself. So Meets automatically sorts them. So every kid who's in the main call, when I hit that setup button, gets sorted right away. So sometimes it's much easier to clear that and bring all the names back up to the main call here with me. And then I start with breakout room 1. So there's 2 ways to do this. You can either type the kid's name in or you can drag them in from the main call. Now it gets kind of tedious dragging, so I much prefer it's much quicker for me if I just type their name in, and just starting with their first name, it usually pops up and I can hit enter, and it's a pretty quick little process. But it does take a good minute or two to set up my classroom at the beginning of every hour. So I read an article. I know that Google was working on sort of a template where you could preset your breakout rooms, and I can't wait for that to happen because then that will save me so much time. But for right now, I still really like the breakout room concept. After I get each one of my breakout rooms done and finished with the kids' invitations in there, then I can hit open rooms. Now, if you have too many rooms or you'd want to delete that one, you just hit that X and it deletes that breakout room 7. All right, so I'm going to open the rooms, and now the kids get the notification and they can click on join their breakout room. They will stay in the main call until they actually click that button. So I always have a few stragglers that need to be prompted. If I need to make any changes, I have to go back into edit rooms, and then it's the same interface. I can make any changes. I can drag kids around if kids need to be dragged to a different breakout room, or if I want that private conference in breakout 7, I can put myself there and then drag a kid down there. Again, they'll get the pop-up invite and they'll have to click OK to join me in breakout room 7. And that's it. And then when I'm done, I hit that save button, and that's when they get the notification, the minute I hit the save button. So when I'm done teaching my lesson, I can close rooms. There's 2 different ways that this happens. The first way is they get a 30-second timer. And if I do not want that 30-second timer to go on, I want it immediate, I just click it again and it closes all rooms right now. And so the kids will be prompted to come back up to the main call. And again, they have to manually move themselves for right now. I heard that was another change that was going to be made very shortly on Google's end. So that's a quick rundown of Google Breakout Rooms. They're really handy and I love them, and I hope you love them too. So have a good day and thanks for watching.